video, I'm going to show you a very simple trading strategy that prints money all the time. I call it money printer because a week cannot pass without you seeing an opportunity with this strategy. I promise you of that. So I want you to stick to the end of this video. Definitely you are going to learn something new. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive into it and I'll show you how it is. Also, if this is your first time of seeing my channel, please like and subscribe to this channel so that you'll be seeing more of these kind of videos. So today is Monday and this is a chart of USD CHF and we are in daily time frame. Okay, so look at what the market is doing at this particular point. Market is trading at a key zone. Okay, but I want to show you something in 4 hours time frame. This particular week, my weekly bias for this particular week is bullish candle. All right, so everything I will be doing is to look for bullish movement, but first of all I have to look out for my manipulation. Then I will join the distribution of the candle. So going down to 4 hours time frame, I want to show you something really quick. Now what do you see here? This is a clear falling wedge. Okay, at a key zone we're having a clear falling wedge. This particular low has been taken out, so I'm expecting a reaction here, okay, that will take out this particular trend line, and then a retest on it. Then I will be going bullish. So this is my expectation from this particular chart, for this particular instrument for this week. Okay, let me show you what I'm expecting. This is where I would like to take my position, somewhere here. So if the market shows me what I'm looking for, I'll be very patient. Okay, this is my lookout. Okay, I'm waiting for something like this to happen. Something like this, and then something like this. So let's see how it goes, guys. The week just started. So this is simply what happened. If you look at this chart, you can see that today is Friday and the market is trading at this particular position. I'm going to close this trade at this particular point because I don't usually leave trade over the weekend. But this is how I got into this trade. On Monday, I told you that my weekly bias is bullish candle. And because I'm expecting a bullish candle, first I will look out for the manipulation of that candle to create the low of the candle. Then I will join the distribution. That is exactly what I did. Going down to hourly time frame, let me show you what happened. On hourly time frame, market opened at this particular position. It traded up to this particular trend line that formed the wedge. It got rejected, trade here, returned again, got rejected. It created this liquidity, as you can see here. So I was waiting for the market to break through this liquidity. Then I will join the market. I will join the distribution of the candle to form the weekly candle. And that is exactly what happened. Let me show you from 15 minutes time frame because that is where I entered the trade. From 15 minutes time frame, this is how it looks like. On 15 minutes time frame, as you can see here, this particular liquidity is very clear. So when market broke it, I just entered the trade and joined this distribution up to today being Friday. Also, if you didn't get the opportunity to be in this particular trade at this on this day, then the next time to be in the trade was on this particular Tuesday, on this particular day, when the market has broken this particular wedge and then returned. That is also the right time to be in the distribution of the candle. So that is it. It is always very simple. Once you know the weekly bias, the next thing is to look for the manipulation of that candle and then join the distribution. Very simple. So if you found this video useful, please don't forget to click on the like button and the subscription button to see more of these kind of videos. Also, here are more videos about our live trades. You can click on it, watch more, and see how you can trade and how you can get opportunities in the market. See you in the next one, and remain profitable.